Hey yo, what is up guys? It's your boy Corey back with another video, and today guys, in this video we're gonna review a $15 selfie ring light. Now before we go into this video guys, you guys can get 10% off on any item that you purchase in my merch store. The promo code will be on the screen and in the description below, so make sure y'all go over there and check it out. So before we go into this video, can we hit some likes on this video? Just hit it, just do it, just smash it.
Smash.
So anyways guys, let's jump into. So to start off this video, I received this package about a couple days ago that I've ordered on Amazon, and it comes in this little package right here, and this is my tracking number and so on, but don't mind it. So let's get into it now. It comes in this little box right here. It's kind of destroyed. I guess UPS damaged my package, I don't understand, and nothing else is in the box, in the bag, sorry. Now we have a USB charger. This I guess you use this for charge it if it dies. I heard that this lasts up to about 2 hours, and this is actually, oh, you pull it right here, like here. Right here is the USB port. This is where you're gonna put the USB charger and charge it. So it's pretty little thingy and thin. This is the clip you clip on the phone or a laptop or whatever device you have. This doesn't weigh much. This is very light and a nice cool design, you know. Here is smooth. This is nice, you know. The clip is very intense. It's nice, it's nice, it's nice. It's a nice like a thingy, you know. Maybe you're at a party and you want to take some good photos, you know. You just attach a little ring on right here and, you know, take some cool pictures. So how to turn it on, because I guess you guys really want to see the lights, right? How you actually turn it on is you just click this little button right here and click it. Sorry about the birds in my background, if you hear them, it's kind of loud outside now. So this is the first light. I guess it's a series of them. It's like, this is the first brightness of them all. The second one is this one. You click the button again, you can see it brightens. So anyways guys, thanks for watching this video, and if you like this ring light thingy right here, just get it. I'll paste the link to them in the description. You just go over there to Amazon and get them for only $15. This is actually nice. I think you guys should. Oh.